Hi everyone, and welcome back to the final chart analysis report of today, Thursday the 7th of August, and as ever it's gold. And the gold chart it's had just yet another spike to the upside as the geopolitical tensions have increased. And again, it's sort of complicated this chart to a certain extent, but still you would argue that the resistance area around 1310 remains intact. Yesterday's high of 1309.60 remains the high in this little rally that we've seen. But ultimately, I don't see that it's going to go very far. I'm expecting that it will peter out. But to be honest, it just depends on how the political tensions or geopolitical tensions pan out, really, because when they're deemed to be serious enough, or moves deemed to be serious enough, the trading comes back into the back into gold price as a safe haven trade. But once the news flow pushes back and just takes a bit of a backseat role, then gold tends to drift back lower again. So if that is the case, then I would say that you can expect gold to start to drift lower again. This is on the intraday hourly chart. You'll see here that, to be honest, we're still moving in bands of $5 increments. And yesterday, as I said, we're back towards that 1310 resistance area that had been fairly historic. And now it did try on here. It did try to sort of form a small band of support around 1305, but that's just beginning to break down now. So you'd be looking back towards the 1300 mark, and then below that 1295. So they are the levels, as I said, in $5 increment bands. But yes, I think this is becoming increasingly, as ever, a difficult chart to play, because how can you really predict the geopolitical issues that arise on throughout the week? They sort of come out and then start to drift away again, and it seems to be quite a difficult play on gold. But certainly once the technicals start to take over, it seems as though there is a drift lower. And certainly if you look at the silver price, there is a definite downtrend that we've got in play still. And on this gold chart as well, you've got a series of lower highs. You've got the 21-day moving average, which has been a fairly reasonable base of resistance recently. That's still coming in around 1304 at the moment. So it's it just has an air of a chart that wants to go lower, although the news flow is obviously causing these odd spikes higher. But still, I think ultimately this chart now just looks like it wants to go lower. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I will speak to you tomorrow. Thank you.